I don't know how I'm going to handle Dennis's snoring. I don't know how I'm going to do that. It's really, it's like, ugh, any more of that, I'll really get annoyed. It's really bad. I'm like allergic to people that snore. I hate it. I can't sleep. It makes me grumpy. And he can't help it. All I can do is smack him around to wake him up or tell him to lay on his side. Other than that, I think we're just going to have to live with it because he snores and I don't sleep. I know people that lost relationships over snores. I hope I don't lose my friendship over his snoring. I actually sit there and I listen to his snoring going up and down and in and out, and it's just, I really want to, it gets me angry.